Right. Take the
spark plug out.
Excuse me.
The spark plug is over here.
Right,
Where it is.
leave oil.
Oh yeah.
Give it a wee.
This way?
This way. Good lad.
Okay.
Watch. Then you do this again.
Smells nice, doesn't it?
Oh yeah. Right, now let's see.
Oh yeah, just like that.
Oh, you do it again.
Again? No way.
That's it, you loosen it nice and.
Beautiful.
You're putting pressure on it, just take it out straight.
It's like just pulling a wee teeny bit.
Just a tiny wee smudge.
Like that?
Very soft and gentle.
Ah.
Okay. Wow, she's dirty.
Yeah.
Right.
Actually, no, it's burnt, I think. I think it's burnt. Can I see? I know how to do that. Very dirty. Instructions on that. We can watch videos, we know. Already, anyway. Oh, good.
Okay, Kurt. Well, let's get it in. Right. Now remember, soft and gentle to start.
Oh, first it is silver. No, that's
You don't want to cross thread it.
I know. Are you going to do that here?
In a wee minute.
What is it?
That's the filter.
That's the filter, Anna. Okay. I forgot about when you said that. When you were over there.
Go back in first.
Ah, that's it.
Then remember that oil.
Right, so after just spin it a wee bit.
Good lad, Kirk, that's a great way. Way to do it.
Just like you do this.
Just
There we go.
see this. You don't want to hit this. Tiny bit at a time, go.
Really.
Can you see now?
Sweet, teeny bit loose there. Just a teeny bit. No, Daddy. Firstly. Oops. So that's what they look like. What's this for? The chain?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. That's for the chain. So that's what they look like there. You can have this to decorate for something. Okay. Okay, it looks like. So this is what they look like. But not. Alright, wait, give me that. I might need it again. Do we need this or do we need this box?
Put the old spark plug into it,
Alright, so it's right.
please. You put it in the box, son.
Smells a bit burnish. Let's spark plug is in here.
Okay.
We need the spark plug.
Right, can you put the plug cap back on, please?
Yep, spark plug cap. On.
Twist it, just. Can you hear the? That's it. That's the pop in. Good lad, well done.
Is that it then?
Job done, that's it. Right, very good, son.
Right.
Yeah, no, no, yeah, no, no, yeah.
We're going well. So that's
Just have to do the earth.
plug is changed.
And this.
Lubricate the chain. And change the oil filter on the other side. Or the
Air filter.
filter. Aye, that's it. Air filter.
Air filter.
Can you see it, Emma? Can you see the filter? Very good. Well done, son. So we'll get that in a minute. Get everything round, son.
Yep. Chain spray. Check. Screwdriver to the air filter. Check. And new air filter to be new.
Thanks, son. So we're going to take a wee rattle at this filter next. Plugs changed. There's the filter. And then last we're going to do a quick spray on the chain with chain lubricant. And that will be job done.
Yeah.
So here we go on this filter change.
Yeah.
This is a simple process. All you got to do is loosen this Jubilee clip.
Yeah.
Pops off, then you pop the new one on.
Yeah.
Here, Kirk, you try that for me, son.
So where is it?
See the Jubilee clip, see that screw there?
Yeah.
Here, turn it. Watch you.
Whoa!
That's okay. Here, turn it. Good lad. Good lad. Just pops off. It's not easy.
Just pops off. Just falls off.
Now, let me see. See, look at the mouth. No. Simple as that. There's step one.
Simple, right?
Now, I'm going to stop the camera for a minute because I need to take this out of its package.
Go on, son. You get me doing? Oh, now look at that. Nice. That's great.
This fresh one.
Oh, don't smack it. Well, Daddy, what's that, you think?
That wee thing there. Okay, why? Don't seem to have one of those. On this one.
Oh, is it here?
Is there anything else in there? No. 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 Okay, chill.
That's it.
You don't want to push too hard because as you see there it just hammers on through.
Yep.
Just get it in enough.
Get enough.
Put the Jubilee clip back on.
Jubilee clip. Jubilee clip. Oh yeah, I think you have to tighten it a wee bit. Or like that. Oh yeah, but look, Daddy. It's up here.
Uh-huh.
It's up here.
It's fine. And then simply pop it back on.
Simple as that, people.
Right, you screw it up, son.
Right? Let's
Go ahead, I'll hold the bike.
up.
Go ahead.
This way.
Uh-huh, towards your face.
Oops.
You get your hand on it. One hand round there. Make sure you keep it square.
Oh yeah, I'll put it up. I'll push it up too.
Just you turn that screwdriver, okay, son?
Right, bud?
Uh-huh.
Right.
That's it.
Right.
Right. You gotta keep it square. Keep the clip square on the filter. Arm up. Good lad. Good lad. Tighten. Keep on going now. Keep going. Just take your time. But keep going. A few more turns and you'll be there. Come on, keep going.
That's tight enough.
Right, let me see.
She's very tight. See?
Right.
There we go.
That's that done.
not to use the chain spray.
Right. So step 1, when lubricating your chain,
Yep.
cover your nice pavers.
Yeah.
And don't use too much.
The chain.
This is the chain. No, all joking aside, don't use too much, just a wee drop.
Just we drop it.
Keep you going, keep your chain spinning, keep it lubricated. Don't need to cover your tire and your wheel and your pavers with chain lube.
And watch, you might get on here. Well,
Not too much. Job done. So that's it, job done. Plug changed, spark plug, air filter, chain lubricated. Not an awful lot to it, to be quite honest with you. I'm sure if you took that to the motorbike shop, it'd maybe charge you £50 or £60 for that, maybe more. Didn't take us any more than half an hour.